Test me, my love. Is that true? Yes, promise please. How I wish I could see you and touch you. But this wall separates. But this wall separates us. Okay? How I wish I could see you and touch you. But this wall separates us just like our parents against our love. I could no longer endure this anymore, Tesby. We have to get away from here and live together. We should not be like this forever. Sleep away. Let us meet at the top of Ninus, under the tall mulberry tree. Tesby, where are you? No, it's not true. What have I done? I let you come to this place alone. It is I who had killed you. Ang hirap mag-English. You know that? You shall now drink my blood too. I'll die. Patay na ako.